It's endured for over 100 years. It's never been out of print, the book, Call of the Wild. And I think it's because of the relationship we have with animals and how important animals are in our lives, the companionship especially of dogs that we enjoy. But it's also a story about nature. It's about the trials and tribulations of a human life. And it's about a lot of things. And it's fun. It's a great family movie. I'm very happy about the way it turned out. We had a stand-in for Buck in the person of Terry Notary, who's a talented actor and a Cirque du Soleil gymnast, who's able to replicate the movement of dogs. And he gave us an organized eye line so everyone knew where the dog was. And for me, he provided an emotional storytelling partner. And he was brilliant at it, and I owe a lot to him. Very grateful to have had him. We were very lucky.
Where is the buzz you said was mine, oh mine?